Hyatt House on International Drive has quickly become my favorite go-to hotel when booking families off-site for Universal Orlando. It's not something I do often, but at the tail end of a Universal vacation, if you're driving, it could potentially save a good amount of money. Another thing I love is that they have so many different room types, and so yet another money-saving tip for you is instead of getting 2 standard rooms, you can do like we did here and get a 2-bedroom condo. And if you don't already know, I'm Zoa Henderson, the owner of Dreamverse Travel. Follow me along here as I give you a quick tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that we stayed in. Not every room at the Hyatt House comes with a full kitchen, but these larger condo styles do, and they also come fully stocked. Additionally, the couch also folds out to another bed, so for instance, with our party of 5, we fit quite comfortably here with the 2 bedrooms, the fold-out couch, as well as 2 full bathrooms. A couple more things to know is that this hotel does offer a pretty good free breakfast in the morning, which is a great way to start off your day when you are driving back home. Also, this hotel is only about 1.5 miles from Universal, so it's a pretty easy thing to get from Universal to your hotel on your last night in Orlando. If you aren't already following us, hit that subscribe button. And if you need help planning your Universal vacation, get help from somebody who knows the ins and outs of Universal and can help you make the most of your vacation. You can get started with us by visiting us on the web at dreamversetravel.com.